Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 14 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And yeah, here's been the phone previously, and you have to remove it completely here, the stuff. And on the back you will see here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card or a microSD card if you want. Okay, let's start now with the main SIM card. You need to place it like this here. Press it well. That's where I insert it. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay. If you want, you can add now on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card if you want. It's optional, of course. You need to place it like this here. Press it now from both sides if you want to insert two SIM cards that were inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So a bit different than the first one. And yeah, but the same thing. There's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are on top. Okay. If you want, you can add also a microSD card here to extend the internal storage here at the SIM tray, but then you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card, because it requires here the full space. Okay, let me remove now the second SIM card here to have the full space here for the microSD card. Press it again here from both sides, that's where I insert it, and this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that, and the contacts, as you can see, they are on top as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, you can put back the SIM tray, anyhow with one or two SIM cards here, back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.